टिळकनगर शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ संचालित लोकमान्य गुरुकुल. Children, today we are going to learn Unit 4, Lesson number 6, Word House. Now, in this lesson, there are few words given in your textbook. आता ह्या धड्यामध्ये आपल्याला काही नवीन शब्द दिलेले आहेत, ते आपल्याला शिकायचे आहेत आणि मग त्या शब्दांचं आपल्याला खाली काही आपल्याला बुकमध्ये काही सर्कल्स दिलेले आहेत येलो कलरचे. इन दोज सर्कल्स वी हॅव टू राईट डाऊन द नेम्स विच of these things, of this word which are given over here. We have to write it down. So there are 4 circles given. One is home, second is number, third is body part, and fourth one is cloth. And as you can see, these are the words. आता हे words दिलेले आहेत, तर आपल्याला हे जे words आहेत ते ह्या 4 सर्कलमध्ये आपल्याला लिहायचे आहेत. वी हॅव टू पुट दिस वर्ड इन दिस 4 सर्कल. तर जे वर्ड्स आपल्याला होम या टॉपिकशी रिलेटेड आहेत, दॅट वी आर गोइंग टू राईट डाऊन इन द सर्कल ऑफ होम. द वर्ड्स विच आर रिलेटेड टू नंबर्स, दोज वी आर गोइंग टू राईट डाऊन इन द सर्कल ऑफ नंबर. बाय द वर्ड्स given over here, we come to know that this word is number. Those we are going to write down in the circle of number. And then the words which we come to know that these are the body parts, that we are going to write down in the circle of body part. And then last one is cloths. Cloths म्हणजे काय, कपडे. तर those are cloths. By the words which come to know, we come to know that these are the cloths that we are going to write down in the circle of cloths. So let's start. So first I'll read the words. The very first word, FOOT, foot. Now foot is what? Body part. So we will write this word in the circle of body part. So we will write the word foot over here. So we will write the foot word over here in the body part, right? Next word is kitchen. KITCHEN, kitchen. So kitchen is what? It is a part of home, no? So we will write kitchen in the part of home. So we will write kitchen in the part of home, in the circle of home. Next is KNEE, knee. Knee is again a body part. म्हणजे आपले काय, knee म्हणजे काय, गुडघे ना. मग आपण ते कुठे लिहिणार? वी विल राईट डाऊन दिस इन दी सर्कल ऑफ बॉडी पार्ट. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज बॅग. बॅग इज वॉट? बॅग इज अ थिंग, राईट? सो वी विल राईट बॅग इन दी सर्कल ऑफ होम. ONE, one. Next is one. So one is what? Number. So we will write the spelling of ONE, one, in the circle of number. Next is mother. So mother will come in the circle of home, because home is because of mummy only, no? Mummy is the one who creates the home, right? आईच असते ना जी घराला घरपण देते, म्हणून आपण होममध्ये आईचं नाव लिहिणार. नेक्स्ट इज फादर. FATHER, फादर. सो वी विल राईट FATHER, फादर, दिस वर्ड इन दी सर्कल ऑफ होम. नेक्स्ट इज शर्ट. SHIRT, शर्ट. नाउ शर्ट इज वॉट? इट इज अ क्लोथिंग. सो वी विल राईट शर्ट इन दी सर्कल ऑफ क्लॉथ्स. Next is sari. SAREE, sari. So sari is again a cloth. So we are going to write down this in the circle of clothes. So sari will come in the circle of clothes. Next is wrist. WRIST. Wrist is again a body part. So we will write that in the circle of body part. Next is coat, COAT, coat. So coat we will write down in the circle of clothes because coat is the part of clothing. Next is spoon, SPOON, spoon. Spoon is related to home, right? आपण घरामध्ये चमचाचा वापर करतो की नाही? So spoon will come in the circle of home. This is the thing related to the home, so we will write it in the circle of home. Next is 3, THREE, 3. 3 is again a number, so we will write this in the circle of number. Next, EYES, eyes. So eyes is again a body part, so we will write it in the circle of body part. Elbow, ELBOW. Elbow is again our body part, so we will write it in the circle of body part. Next is cupboard, CUPBOARD, cupboard. Cupboard is again what? It is a thing which is related to the home, so we will write down this word in the circle of home. FIVE, 5. 5 is a number, so we will write down this in the circle of number. SCARF, scarf. Scarf is again related to our home, the thing which is related to the scarf is again a cloth, part of clothing. आपण तुम्ही पाहिलं असेल, आई किंवा घरामध्ये मोठी ताई वगैरे असेल तर गळ्यामध्ये ओढणीसारखा, ओढणी म्हणून आपण जे घेतो त्याला आपण स्कार्फ असं म्हणतो इंग्लिशमध्ये. सो स्कार्फ इज अ part of clothing, so we will write the scarf in the clothes. Next is shoulder, SHOULDR, shoulder. Shoulder म्हणजे काय? खांदा. So it is again a body part, so we will write shoulder in the circle of body part. Next is dress, DRESS. Dress will come in the circle of clothes because it is a part of clothing which we wear. Next is TV, television. So television is again related to the home, the thing which is related to the home, so we will write TV in the circle of home. Next is again number 4. 4 number hai na, so we are going to write down the, now see what is the difference here. Number 4 is written in the number form, it is not in the word form, right? So we will write it as it is in the column of number, in the circle of number. Then first, again it is a number, 1, it is a number, so we will write it as it is, first, in the column of number. SOCKS, socks. It is again a part of cloth, so we will write down it in the circle of clothes. HEAD, head. Head is what? Head is a body part, so we will write down HEAD, head, in the circle of body part. Raincoat, RAINCOAT, raincoat. Raincoat is again a cloth which we wear in the रेनी सीझन, बरोबर आहे ना? पावसापासून स्वतःचा बचाव करण्यासाठी आपण रेनकोट घालतो. म्हणजे काय तर हा एक कपड्याचा प्रकार आहे, घालतो ना आपण त्याला, अंगावर चढवतो, त्यामुळे इट विल कम इन दी सर्कल ऑफ क्लॉथ्स. स्टमक, STOMACH, स्टमक. स्टमक इज वॉट? इट इज अगेन अ बॉडी पार्ट, सो वी विल राईट इट इन दी सर्कल ऑफ बॉडी पार्ट. ग्लास, GLASS, ग्लास. ग्लास इज अगेन रिलेटेड टू होम, आपण ग्लासचा वापर करतो ना पाणी पिण्यासाठी घरात, म्हणून दॅट वी विल राईट डाऊन इन दी सर्कल ऑफ ग्लास. हॉल, HALL, हॉल. हॉल is again a part of home, so we will write down it in the circle of home. And the last one is bed. Bed is again a part of home, आपण घरामध्ये झोपण्यासाठी बेडचा वापर करतो की नाही, so it is again a part of home. So I hope children you have understood the lesson. If you have any doubt related to this lesson, then you can ask me. Thank you.